The phrasal verb put up with means to tolerate or endure something unpleasant or annoying. Think of situations where you're dealing with something you'd rather not, but you accept it because, well, you don't have much choice. For example, maybe your neighbors are noisy, but since you can't exactly tell them to stop living their lives, you put up with it. Or imagine a long line at the grocery store. It's annoying, but sometimes you just have to put up with it. Let's go through some real life examples to make this clearer. I'll use put up with in sentences that are super relatable. Let's start. Imagine you're on a crowded bus and there's loud music playing from someone's phone. It's uncomfortable, but you can't do much about it, so you put up with it until you stop. I had to put up with the loud music on the bus this morning. Or let's say you work from home, but your cat has a habit of walking across your keyboard during meetings. It's annoying, but hey, you love your cat, so you put up with it. I put up with my cat interrupting my work calls because he's just too cute. One last example. You've got a friend who's always late. It's frustrating, but you value their friendship, so you put up with their habit of being late. I put up with my friend being late because they're awesome otherwise. Now that we've seen what put up with means, let's talk about how to use it smoothly and naturally. Tip 1. Don't overuse it in one conversation. Try not to repeat put up with too much in one conversation. It's great to use when something's annoying or hard to tolerate, but avoid saying it too often, or it'll sound like you're always complaining. Tip 2. Practice using it in the past and present. Put up with is a great phrase because it works in both past and present situations. Practice using it in both ways. For example, I had to put up with traffic this morning, or I put up with it every day on my commute. Tip 3. Notice native speakers using it. If you're around native speakers, pay attention. People use put up with a lot in everyday conversations, so you can learn from their tone and when they choose to use it. Listening is a great way to improve your own usage. Now you know what put up with means, how to use it, and some tips to help you use it naturally in conversation. Remember, learning English is all about practice and patience, so don't be afraid to try out this new phrase. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.